Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome to Lone Wolf Ham Radio. I'm just trying a bit of a test tonight for planned live stream that I'm going to do in the future. Let's face it. And I'm just messing about. I've tried live streams in the past, but they haven't worked because my laptop is a bit too low powered. So I got a new laptop for Christmas from my Santa, so that's nice, isn't it? And more observant people will see it's one of those new-fashioned Apple products. So here we go. I'm running WSJTX 3.00 RC1 simply because I thought I'd give it a whirl. I like the extra features we've got. We've got some band buttons along the top here where my cursor is. And we've also got the mode selectors down the side. I'm on 30 meters. I was getting absolutely nothing on 20. It was just dead. So I thought I'd come down to 30, and I got LZ1ZF. Now if we go across to Station Master, which is what I'm using here, and click on the log tab, here we can see I've got them in the log. LZ1ZF. I can't be my thing. Let's see where he's on QRZ. LZ1ZF. I know there's a button for this on Station Master, but I'm not using it. So, Bulgaria, next to the sky. That's nice, isn't it? Yep, so Station Master's got all sorts of functionality plugged into it. We've got a scope, which will basically show me what's happening on my radio, although I don't think it actually connects to the scope. I don't know. The developers manage this, but he's a clever lad. Next tab along, we've got the log. Not much in my log because I've just started using it on my Mac. In the cloud, we have the Station Master Cloud. You can see who's online, who's got the most data today. Let's have a quick look. So most data today, not the world's biggest surprise, it's a WWA call sign. Let's say got 98. Oh, yeah. Who else we got? Let's see if I recognise anyone. GB50 Punk, who's that? Sorry. Just go for a GB50 Punk from Skipton, well-known centre for punk music. I don't know you, but I'm sorry. Cool hair. So Rusty is Rusty Cluster. I'm just going to enable transmit again. Rusty is the Rusty Cluster. Because I've got it minimised. That's the other stuff. But I just click the hamburger here. You can see that we get the filters. So we've got filters for Christmas call signs, special call signs, SES, can't remember what that is, WWA, which is going on for a year, I think, WWF, Worldwide Flora and Fauna, POTA, there's only one brave person out doing POTA, bunkers on the air, so etc. Then we get band, so I'm filtering for 20 meters at the moment, but if I filter for 30, which is what I'm on, and let's just go down to change the mode to FT8. Cool. So we should get a filter for people in FT8, etc. And we'll just close this down. You can see one person is running FT8 today, and that is from the date is F4AW, that's France. Anyway, not going to see him. I might do. So I'll put them in here. It's a bit hard to tell, isn't it? Like I said, this is just a test. I'm not recording it live, but I'll put it on later just so I can see what the quality is like. I've been having problems with my little Linux laptop running FT8. It's been a bit of a pain. Every time I run it, I get Hamlib errors, but touch wood, for the moment we're doing okay on Apple's finest. So keep calling CQ. So what I like about Station Master is that everything I said, I said you boy, I said we've got these tabs on the top, so if I hit PSK, it'll take me to PSK Reporter, and if it's working, it's going to show me who can hear me, and I've got the normal sort of HF bubble. I don't often, in fact, I don't think I've ever run 30, which is a bit of whiz. Got my little HF bubble up. Doesn't look obviously there's nothing wrong in the big blue bit because that's C. But yeah, it's good. What else we got? So on 30 meters, DR2W, so Delta Romeo 2 Whiskey, just hit that, and it's a propagation map. And I can't get into it. Blue's bad, red's good. So we're on 30 meters at the moment. Zoom in cursor there. 30 meters at the moment, and we can see we've got a nice red ring around, sort of around Central Europe, Norway, Denmark, etc., etc. Everything else is blue. I was looking on 40 before, so the map for 40. So it fits refresh. Anyway, I think 40 is all good. A little bit noisy at the moment there. So we're not catching it. I think I'll go and actually chase someone. So we are on. Is that QTV? I've just got CQTV. I'm just going to hit erase. So erase. Get rid of that. Erase it again. A couple of times get rid of it. We've got a clean slate now. I can see what's what. So I'm recording this on OBS tonight. I'm just using the mic on my 4K webcam. Hopefully it's very good quality. There we go. I've got my little clock down there. So it's 8:30, 8:36. My FT8, I've got it set up so basically if I'm calling CQ and lots of people come back, it's going to go for the maximum distance. I need to get a little highlight thing. Can I? Oh no, that wasn't it. You can change CQ max distance, so maximum dBs, minimum dBs, contact to the first person, or contact to pointless. So whilst that's doing that then, like I said, 40 meters on the DR2W map. That's good. Got 30. There you go. And if we go up to 10, 20, 30, 20 meters, 20 meters as well as having trouble because I wasn't hearing anything at all on 20. Let's have a look. What do we get? We get nothing, it's not going to do anything. There you go, 20 meters. See, 20 meters is a bit there at the moment. Africa's looking good though, if anyone's trying to get Africa. Just saying. You know who you are. I'll whack that back. 30 meters. Actually, if I change my QTH to North America, I'll do that stuff. I don't think it's going to do anything. I didn't change. Alright. The other thing I like on this is, oh no, there you go. So if I put my QTH in America, there's my propagation. So if I was in America, I won't be able to speak to anyone at the moment, which is ironic. That changes some of the time. So the other thing I love the radar. Radar's great. So I'm assuming that I'm in the middle, and all these dots, obviously call signs on the outside. You can see the call signs actually scrolling up when it goes round. So there's loads of people. I assume these are actually Station Master users who are quite happily banging away their radio. Right, I'm not doing anything at the moment, am I? Hold that. I've got a grand total of 1 in my log, which is good. It's nice to get 1 in my log. Let's call CQ again. Notice my audio coming from the rig's a little bit low, so I'm just going to turn the gain up a little bit. The decibel meter on the side needs to be around the 60, but not in the red. Let's just wait for this transmit to go across. There you go. 30 dB recommended only when noise is present. Green is good, red is black, sorry, red is bad, and yellow is when it's too low, so let's just turn it up a bit. Come on. Probably hear it in the background, right? So it's like life, isn't it? I was getting lots of hits today, honest. Now, not so good. Just see if I can get a little bit more out. Power wise, I am on 10 watts. So let's give myself a bit of a chance. Up to 20 watts now. Doing that, let's have a look at PSK Reporter. PSK Reporter. So call sign Mike 8HKZ. I used to be 2 Echo 0 HKZ, but the 2 Echo 0 and the HKZ bit was a little bit confusing. Bit of a tongue twister. I used to get mixed up myself, so apologies to anyone who had to write that call sign down. Just changed that to 15 minutes, still on 30 meters, and we can hit go on there. See what we get back. I don't think anyone's talking to anyone at the moment. I'm going to change. I'm going to change to 20 on PSK Reporter and see. Let me see if anyone. Get rid of that. Using FT8, past 15 minutes. Let's see what other people are getting. This isn't very helpful, is it? Just a bit of this, showing all hands. Headphone monitors. I should be seeing all this rubbish. And I do. And if anyone can tell me what the permalink does, I don't know what permalink is. Show all in all bands. It just changes it to there. Don't need that. Let's change this to me. Mike 8HKZ. I didn't type anything there, did I? Mike HKZ. On 40, signals sent received by call sign Mike, mate using FT8. Over the last 12, and put that down to the last 15. So if I can narrow this down a bit. I've got a bit of a long way to. My transmitter was on for too long, and I've got my watchdog set to about 6 minutes. Right, I'm going to change frequency now. Let's go to the scope. Got a nice green scope today. You can change the colour of the scope if you right click on scope. No, you can't. If you right click on the actual waterfall bit, you can change speed. Whee! Oh, there. You can change the level, which I assume is the just the brightness in this case. You can filter out noise, so you can have lots of noise, nothing at all. A bit in the middle. I do a broken it noise. Hue is colour. It's got purple. All the colours of the rainbow. Look. I did nice green. Very nice. Zoom. You can just zoom in on the old scope, and pan. Pan's left to right, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Don't know what that does. Right, we'll leave that there. We're going to change. We're going to go to 20. On 20 minutes tonight. Got a lot of people down there. Where's my waterfall? Just let me find my waterfall. I'll find it down here. Waterfalls hiding, view. Waterfall, those. I've got it. Okay, according to this, there is very little going on. Can't see it, can you? Very little going on in the waterfall, and the scope sort of bears that out. Let's have a look. DR2 DW. 20 minutes, sorry. Yeah, propagation's a bit foul. I seem to be in a bit of a black hole, or blue hole as the case may be. I'll probably improve. Look at 10. 10 is very blue. So, not much point doing anything on blue tonight. I wonder if there's been a CME or something. 12 is blue. Yeah. 80. See, 80 is alright. 80 would work nicely for you though. However, I haven't got an antenna for 80. Could try 40, but when I go on 40 this happens. Let's see if it'll do it. 40 meters. Turn that down a bit. Just a little bit more. Okay, so obviously there's people on 40. Which is good. Let's just get rid of the waterfall. So we're going to click the yellow traffic light. And it's going to go down. And right, so what's been happening in the past, for some reason on 40, when I transmit, it transmits on my internal sound card on my laptop. So we're going to try that now. Don't want to do anything. What's happened? So we'll stop that. Hopefully you can still hear me. I don't know why that happens. Only does it on 40. I'm going to have to recycle the power, or cycle the power on my radio. Let's get it back. Then I think maybe I'm getting a little bit of RF into the shack on 40. Right, and that's knocking out the sound card. Let's go up to 10. Let's go to 10 meters. I know we said 10 meters was rubbish, didn't we? 30 meters. 30 meters. Okay, 30 meters, and I am going to just going to tune off. Beep 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 beep. Hit tune. You see, it's blown out the audio. Right, I'm going to stop this. Stop this. I'm going to stop station. I'm not going to stop Station Master. Just have a look at the preferences and check cat control. So I'm using my Yaesu FT-710. The COM port is my USB serial. I can't see all of it on there, but there we go. You can see most of it on there, so I'm using that. Audio in is USB audio device, which is what. So I got a message on my thing, which is what the sound card is. Baud 38400, that's not going to change. The controls start automatically. Just going to cancel that, and I am just going to hit myself. No, I'm not. I'm just going to quit. Oh, look at the forest. It's lovely. Someone's planted a lot of trees. I think this moves. Does this move, or is it just my login screen? I don't know. It's still a bit of a new thing. Right, start Station Master Pro. So, this is how I start Station Master Pro on WSJTX together. So, play the click. And it's going to start up. It's going to start up with my stuff, which is always good. And it started up my sound card. If I just change my VFO or turn my VFO, it's going to switch bands. Let's go to 10. There you go. So switch bands. I am just going to start WSJTX and for Station Master. If you're running Station Master and WSJTX together, you can just launch it from here. But before we do that, I'm just going to show you something. So we're going to look at preferences. So if you look at Station Master Pro, click that, go to preferences. You can see along the top you've got your operator, cat control tab, rotators, don't have a rotator, accounts, that's for QRZ, etc. Audio and QSO recording, receiving and forwarding, but keep going, you'll find third-party apps. So hit third-party apps, I'll click it, and on the right-hand side here you can see start a Hamlib CTL or Rig CTLD server. Okay, and it says connect apps such as WSJTX to this port by selecting Hamlib net rig control D, network server, localhost 2345, and that's what I've done. So I'm just going to cancel that because I haven't changed anything. I'm going to start WSJTX by hitting launcher, and you've got a choice of WSJTX, JTDX, Alpha Rig, 3DV, don't know what that is, and some other stuff down the bottom, and G5 Stew. His YouTube channel's down the bottom as well, which has got obviously really good tutorials because he's the guy who's written this software and it's cracking, mate. Right, WSJTX, let's go. Let's see where it ends up. So this is a pre-release, blah 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 blah. Like I said, I'm using the beta version. Move that. I'm just going to move the waterfall out of the way. Okay, so WSJTX. And in my settings, we'll just go over this, WSJTX and preferences. What's in my settings, just move this down a little bit. That moved, that's moved, right. In my settings, we can see my call, my grid, etc, etc. My radio, though, in this case, the rig, because I'm using Station Master, it says Hamlib net rig control, and my network server is 127.001.2345, which is what we saw in Station Master before. Everything else stays the same. Let's just hit test cat. There you go, cat's tested. Everyone's happy. So I don't know why it does that on 40 megs. It seems to be the only one it does it on. It's only just started doing it, so I think I might get a choke on there somewhere. Right. No one's very chatty on here tonight, so 30 meters. Sure enough, just hit tune. There you go. It's weird. It's tuning fine internally now. It's tuning fine to the computer, to the 710. Right, let's hit enable transmit. And if you're new to WSJTX, this little blue bar just above my head, just move that. That little blue bar is a progress bar. So WSJTX takes, I think it's 15 seconds for each cycle. So you get transmit cycle, which is what it's doing now, what the red bit is. That's 15 seconds long, and the receive cycle is 15 seconds long as well. You can see in the top left window you've got band activity, and that's people on the band. And you've got receive frequency, which is also my CQ calls as well. So let's just give it a little bit of time. Let's see what we get. I want to call CQ, so I'm just going to go back to Station Master again and hit PSK. I keep saying hit, it's not hit. We're going to turn off 40 because it doesn't like us at the moment. I have tried different cables as well to try and get rid of that internal sound card over that keeps coming back. So on 30 meters, show the signals sent and received by me using FT8 over the last 15 minutes and go. And these markers will change colour to green. Eventually. Come on, buddy. There we go. Green. Oh, it's a bit of a mess. Let's just. Green's not the best colour in the world, is it? But we can see this. Let's just move it down. This is my QTH. If you've never used PSK Reporter before, it's a free website. You just need a call sign. Actually, probably don't even need a call sign to be honest. This is my QTH. Click this little balloon. And my last report report was from My last report was from WP4U. WP4U, that's nice. I'm going to click that, see if it goes to QRZ. Oh no, it'll deliver this and it'll show me how many people. Good God. Busy. Oh, it's in 12 hours. Okay. That's 15 minutes. So this guy, WP4U, over the past 15 minutes, and we're just interested in FT8. Busy guy. So where is he? Where's this chap? It looks like it's 103 Caribbean Islands, and it is San Juan. Yeah, San Juan. That's not bad then. So I'm hitting him. Well, I'm hitting him on WSJTX on FT8. I'm just going to change this round. Let's make Mike 8. On all bands. On 30. That's all stand for. That's Puerto Rico, sorry. San Juan isn't an island, is it? It's Puerto Rico. Nice. However, everybody seems to have gone to sleep in FT8 world. I don't think there's an awful lot of point swapping to 40, but an interest of science. 40, where's it? It's hiding from me. Not 40. Established 40 doesn't work. 20 meters. I think I hear someone on 20. Which shouldn't be a surprise. Alright. Okay, so if you are watching this on YouTube and you like what you see, then please just drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the live stream. It isn't a live stream, but you know what I mean. And if you want to see any more like this, it's quite hard live streaming ham radio because the danger is that you get someone just sat here staring at a screen, going through QRZ and things like that. Which is entertaining for some. I don't know. I am going to keep going. I've been running this for 28 minutes. So what I wanted to do was just to do this, see if it would actually work. So this is really a test. So if you are watching me to the end, let's say thank you very much. Really appreciate you watching. And like I said, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, give me a bell. If you really like what you see, then subscribe. And yeah, that's it at the moment. I am going to go. So my name's been Lone Wolf Ham Radio. My operator call sign is Mike 8 H Kilo Z. Mike 8 Hotel Kilo 0. There you go. I'm using WSJTX 3.0. I'm using Station Master Pro version 3.19, which is brilliant. I mean, look at this cluster. Not that one. Kurt cluster with something more on it. What in my ears? Actually, look how nice this is. Look at the graphics on this. That's nice. I like that. Okay, and you can click on the frequencies and it'll take you to that. It'll take you to down here. You got that control. Right, I'm gonna go. I'll see everyone later. So yeah, brilliant. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being with it. Leave us a like. Leave us a comment. Tell me if you think it was rubbish. It's all good. Yeah, cheers. Mike 8 Hotel Kilo Zulu, Lone Wolf Ham Radio.